And as Hurricane Milton closes in on Florida, the federal government is rushing to ensure communities in its path are prepared. ABC 22's Raquel Martin has the latest on preparations from Washington.
The message from leaders here in Washington is simple. People in the path of this storm need to hunker down. The president, vice president, and head of FEMA all participated in an emergency briefing this afternoon. They promised the federal government is working around the clock to help Florida.
You must evacuate.
As Florida braces for Milton's potentially deadly storm surge, so is Washington.
For the last week, my team has done everything possible to prepare for this storm.
The White House says the federal government has deployed more than 1,000 personnel to Florida and is cutting through red tape to prevent any delays in emergency aid.
FEMA is ready.
Deanne Criswell, who leads FEMA, heads to Florida today to aid Republican Governor Ron DeSantis.
So I can be side by side with the governor and his team.
And says she will stay days after the storm to assess the damage.
This is going to be a serious storm, one that could forever change communities that are still recovering from Helene.
This one's going to be different.
Vice President Kamala Harris joined the emergency briefing from New York.
Please listen to your local officials. They know what they're talking about.
Governor DeSantis is urging people to go to shelters and warns anyone staying behind.
You will likely lose power if you're in the path of this storm. Just be prepared for that. Have a plan to deal with it.
Hurricane Milton is expected to make landfall Wednesday night as a Category 3 storm with wind speeds over 100 miles per hour.
We've got some more difficult days ahead, but we will absolutely get through it.
We also heard directly from the Coast Guard today. The Vice Admiral says ships and helicopters are on standby to begin search and rescue operations and assess storm damage as soon as the hurricane threat passes. For now in Washington, Raquel Martin, back to you.